2.8-gallon air compressor. Our 900W oil-free motor drives the compressor up to a speed of 3,500 min and 2.2 CFM at 90 psi air delivery. It is ideal for supporting a variety of pneumatic and air tools, such as nail gun, impact wrench, spray gun, pneumatic screwdriver. Best for tire inflation, auto repair, spray painting, woodwork nailing, etc. Fast and efficient inflation. Our oil-free air compressor adopts double tube and double cylinder intake at the same time, effectively saving time and effort. The intake pipe is made of 392 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature resistant silicone and stainless steel braided mesh, with double protection to reduce damage and corrosion. All the power, without the noise. VEVOR's 70 decibels low decibels ultra-quiet air compressor is built with 2 quality silencers. Each muffler consists of a thickened muffler cover, rubber muffler pipe, and filter cotton. It not only reduces noise, but effectively prevents fine dust from entering. Designed to withstand, our electrical air compressor is constructed from a 3-layer process: rust and wear-resistant layer, plastic powder attachment layer, and Q235B structural steel providing durability and ultimate rust resistance. 3.5 MPa maximum bearing pressure and seamless welding construction ensure the ability to withstand explosions and leakages. Security comes first. The air compressor tank is equipped with 2 large cooling fans and automatic overheating protection to prevent damage. In addition, when the current or storage pressure is too high, the compressor will automatically shut off or provide pressure relief protection.